this may rub against the tire.
Once it pulls tight.
Yep.
Well,
But
let's pull it.
but I don't know that we really have any other choices.
We really don't, unfortunately.
Let me ask you a question, Brian.
Yeah?
What about if we use that other pulling hole? With the two transit started up.
So the problem.
Tree strap up there.
This one right there.
Oh, you got me sitting down.
The back.
See what that looks like. So that's going to. Let's think through the
Yeah.
forces on this.
Yeah, agreed.
So that's going to put more stress on this part of the frame, but no more stress than we would be putting on it if we were wrapping a strap in one spot.
But we are closer to the cross member too.
Yes, and we are closer to the center of gravity of the vehicle, front back.
Which is that, in your mind, a good thing or not?
I could go either way,
Yeah.
which means it's probably a good thing, actually. That one's in. This
Trying to find a spot for the cluster hook.
the barest bit too small.
What about the other one?
Those,
No, I mean the other.
Oh,
is it high centered over here?
This one definitely won't fit.
A little bit?
This is the only one that
It's touching on this rock, but the second we pull it back, it's going to be fine.
That's what we're looking at right now.
Always thinking about that.
Yeah, see, I actually like this much better.
As you can see, it's pretty stuck over here.
I like this much better. And it's not going to slide around as much, which means you're not going to get any.
Show you under the car.
The other thing that
That's the cluster hook we got right there.
the other thing that we're also looking at is this is essentially preventing the vehicle from rolling over.
Alright, got two max tracks right there.
This is probably going to be pointed straight up at that tree.
Check out the legging under the car.
Straight cut up to it. So there
Nice and
won't be
clean,
much
jammed in.
force.
The spot right there.
I mean, yes, this will give us more force pulling down.
We're building a max tracks bridge. It's pretty steep.
Actually, that would probably be sufficient, and if we needed one,
Put two right there.
yeah, something.
Yeah, that's a good balancing right there. Here,
Yeah,
want to slide under a little more? Yeah, there we go.
yeah. There you go.
There we go. Nice, nice and balanced.
Right.
Fantastic. That's as much as we want to do. This is nice and slow. We're going to be at this for a little while. I'm okay with that. All right, good. All right, thank you. Good boy. Just want to drop it. Good. Support. Good. Perfect. Got it on. Okay, support. Stop.
Okay, can you go a little bit more that way? Perfect. Copy that. Check the transit hooks.
You winch in 1 foot. Do that. Winching in.
Give me another 6 inches.